So what is up people on the internet? Welcome back to UPDN. My name is Akshat Taneja and today we are going to talk about the Google Home and the Google Home Mini. So the Google has officially released the Google Home and the Google Home Mini in India, and in this video I am going to tell you the 15 things that you need to know about the Google Home and the Google Home Mini. So straight away let's begin with the video. So the first thing is that the Google Home is available in India at a price point of 9,999 Indian rupees, and the Google Home Mini is priced at a price point of 4,499 Indian rupees, which is great. And the major competitor of these two devices is the Amazon's Echo devices. And the second thing is that these are only available on Flipkart and these are exclusive to Flipkart. And I'll leave the Best Buy links down below in the description if you are willing to buy these. The third thing is that you can stream your content with the help of Google Chromecast wirelessly in your TV, which is really cool. You can play Netflix or YouTube videos wirelessly and you can stream them in your TV, which is really cool. And the fourth thing is that the Google Home weighs 477 grams, which is really great. It comes only in white colors, but the lower fabric part of the Google Home can be changed. But the Google Home Mini is available in a bunch of different colors. And the major part of these devices is that they both support Google Assistant, which is the artificial intelligence virtual assistant. You can ask Google Assistant anything you want to, like watch the weather or play some music or tell some news or read my emails or anything. That's really great. And the sixth thing is that it needs an adapter. It is not battery enabled, so it has the adapter included in the box in which it comes. And you can stream music wirelessly, and you can stream music from Google Play Music, Ghana or other apps also. So that's really great of Google for providing that thing. And it is also smart home compatible, and it has a really good compatibility with the Philips Hue and other smart home devices available in the market. So the ninth thing is that you can get navigation routes and other things. You can ask it about the traffic, like you're leaving for your office and you need to know that how is the traffic on the road, so you can ask the Google Assistant about it. And there are lots of other features which are related to Google Maps, and you can ask Google Home easily about it and you'll come to know about it. And the 10th thing is that you can make a shopping list in it. So I think it will be linked to Amazon or some other things. I'm not sure about it, but you can make a shopping list out of it. You can maintain and track to-do lists also, like you can track your tasks. You can tell it to remind you something, or you can also tell it to add something to your Amazon bag or something like that. That's really cool. So the 11th thing is that you can get weather updates and local news and international news also. You can ask it the weather of any place, time of any place, or you can ask the latest news or anything. So that's really great. The 12th thing is that you can connect the Google Chromecast and other Google Home compatible things with it also. The 13th thing is that you can get the latest news updates and other cool things in this. So that's really cool. You can just ask Google to tell you the latest news or tell you all the latest news updates which were there recently. And you can also set timers and alerts so that you can plan your day, and the Google can also remind you that you have to do this today and that this day and that this day. So that's also really nice and convenient of Google. And the last but not the least thing is that you can ask it fun things like jokes, trivia, like you can ask it to roll a dice or play a game to tell jokes and other things for fun and entertainment. So I think the Google Home is really cool and it will be a great smart home device. And if you're willing to buy it, I'll leave the Best Buy Flipkart links down below in the description. You can go ahead and check it out. And also I will be leaving the official site link of the Google Home. You can go and check all the other features of these two products in the official site. So I'll be leaving the links down in the description. So guys, that was pretty much it for this video. If you like this video, please be that cool guy to hit that like button, and please make sure you are subscribed to our channel as more cool and amazing stuff is coming up, and hit that bell so that you can be instantly notified about all our latest updates. So guys, that was pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Peace.